Hey guys, how you doing? Rihanna here, and today I'll be breaking down Yiheng's new world record, and you all know how amazing he is, so there is no need that I waste your time with these compliments, so let's try to get into this. Alright, the cross pieces for the first solve are here, 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 and here, and you can solve these two only by one move, and these two only by 3 moves, like this. But if you have noticed, there is a solve edge right there. So in these kind of situations, you should always try to do X cross. So find the corner of this edge, which is right here, and then try to put this corner into the correct position, which is somewhere between these two edges, because this is blue and red corner, so you must put it between blue and red edge. So for putting this corner into the correct position, we did something like that, and then he did D prime and he built this 2x2 cube. Then he went for the rest of the cross like this, and then he went for the second pair, which is these two. So he put this edge into the top layer, and then he paired up these two like this, and then the third pair, which goes back there, and finally the last pair. So he did the cube rotation, and then a sledgehammer, OLL, and PLL. For the second one, these two cross edges are already solved, so he did D, L, D prime and solved these 3 edges, and then he went for the last one. And then the first pair, which goes back there, and then the second one. And for inserting these two, he did a sledgehammer, and the reason that he did a sledgehammer for inserting this pair is because he wanted to break up these two pieces. So he turned a bad F12 into a good F12 case. But if he didn't do that and he inserted this pair like a normal way, these two wouldn't be separated at all. So that's why he did a sledgehammer. And for pairing up these two, he could have done something like this, because this is a rotationless way, but he did the cube rotation and he paired up these two by doing R, U, R prime, and here he did another cube rotation and went for the last pair, OLL, and PLL. Alright, this solve is absolutely amazing. Don't miss this one because he did X cross with only 5 moves. So he did B prime and connect this edge to this center, and then he did D and connect this corner to this edge, and he built this 2x2 square for the X cross. And as he was doing D move, he solved this edge as well, and then he solved the rest of the cross. And then the second pair, which goes right here, the third one, which goes back there, finally the last F12, OLL and PLL.
Yes! Oh! Oh!
This solve is one of the most efficient solutions you have ever seen, and the cross pieces are here, 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 and here, and there is a solve pair right there. So he did R prime D and connected these two edges to the opposite color, and then he did F prime and R and finally D2. And then he went for the first pair, real easy, and then the second one, and then the third pair, and then the last pair. And for solving the last pair, he could have done something like this, but he did a cube rotation, U2, and then the rest of the solve. And OLL and PLL. However, this solve is not as fast as the others, but this one is as amazing as the others. He did double X cross by using pseudo method, and the cross pieces are there, and there. So he did UD FR prime and built this 2x2 square for the double X cross and this edge as well. And then he did DL prime and put this edge into the correct position for the double X cross. And here, if you do a D move, you will see that he solved all the 4 edges and the first pair as well. But as I told you before, he did double X cross, so he put this corner into the correct position, which is exactly right there. And then finally a D move. And then he went for the third pair, which goes right there. And then the third pair, sorry, the last pair. And OLO and PLO. Thank you so much guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, tips and tricks, and catch you later.